you must be hungry, buddy, because you were on the front porch in the chair. Thought I was going to have to do special stuff to get you past Panther. Let's go. Come on. I got you food. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, bud. Come past the gauntlet. That is Stripe. He cried at 12:30 a.m. and I had to go out in the front porch and put some food down on the step away from Panther, and he had a little dry chow. I don't know. I don't think he was starving, but definitely wanted some food. You doing all right this morning? Yeah, it's a good boy. And how about everybody over here? Morris, hi honey. When I talk to him as I approach with his name, he does better. Hey, Mart. Good morning, everybody. There's some sort of heavy equipment up at one of the houses in the cul-de-sac or across from the cul-de-sac, but I don't think I'm quite that motivated to go figure out what it is. I'll check it out later. So, looks like more widespread storms this afternoon. I'm going to go up in the attic, and then I will go out midday and swap out my movies. Not going to wait until late afternoon because it seems like it's highly likely it'll be raining then. I sure hope so, because we really haven't had more than just a drizzle here at the house. And I checked the rain gauge this morning, and it was, for all intensive purposes, it was empty. It's not too bad out here right this minute. Ready to go to work? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. You coming? You coming? Come on, let's go. It's time to go to work. Let's go. I'm late getting up here. It's going on 11. I finished up yesterday's video. I was too tired last night. And that movie with Owen Wilson and Jennifer Lopez was actually really good. The dialogue, there was no half listening to the video and the TV at the same time. No, that wasn't going to work. So, I want to get in at least a couple hours, as much as I can tolerate up here. It's 82 outside. It's actually only supposed to get up to 82 today. We'll see. I suspect that it's going to be 86. That's my prediction for the day. I think mine is just as good as the weatherman sometimes. I say that because I think we've got 2 or 3 more hours of heating before the storms come. And I agree that after the storms come, the temperature will drop and or not get higher. So, yeah, I don't mind driving Ruby to town in the rain today, as long as it's not severe weather kind of stuff. I'll just play the radar and what time I stop by how I feel. But I do want to, you know, obviously I need to go out and swap the red box today. So I don't want to go quite as late as yesterday. Yesterday it was nice going late because it was so hot during the day that by the time I went out it was already starting to cool down. That was actually kind of nice, but I'll play it by ear. Really enjoyed that dash cam video that Dawn uploaded for me from down there for yesterday's video. That was a lot of fun watching the family's reaction this morning. I think that's good content. I think you guys will like it too. And he and JB are headed to one of the carpentry jobs JB's been working on today. There's an electrical issue over there the guys are gonna put their heads together on. And tomorrow they're going tubing. That should be fun. Except I won't be there to film it. Doubt they have a waterproof camera, but oh well. Note to self, I absolutely do not need any more Halloween table runners. It's coming. It's 3 o'clock and I never stopped. But I'm done on the Halloween aisle. It's all nicely organized. I'm pleased. Now I just got to carry about 15 trips worth of stuff downstairs. Yay! We're getting enough rain to water stuff. It actually was raining light for the last 15 minutes and now it's just picked up a little heavier. Thank you. I really needed the rain. I've got the van loaded. Every box that I had designated to go to Guardian Angel I carried down and put in the van. The van is packed. It's packed all the way to the ceiling packed. I'll take it tomorrow. I'm just sitting out in the front porch with Gray cooling down for a few minutes before I go get cleaned up. Alright, all the storming's finished. There is a flash flood warning, but everything's fine. I think I'm gonna go swap out red boxes. You gotta stay out of the way, bud. You go on across and then stay out of the way. Oh goodness, here's Marty too. I do love them. They're just looking for some attention. They want attention. Well, the red box movie I want tonight is at the Harris Teeter. I'm gonna go into Home Depot first though. I could really use 2 storage bins for linens up in the attic. And I know Walmart doesn't have what I want, so I'm gonna try Home Depot. And I might just walk through the garden center. It's 5:30, so any hope I had of doing, that's a Mach-E, the white car. Any hope I had of doing any more cleaning and sorting in the downstairs part of the house today, the dressers, drawers in the bedroom, is not going to happen. I am simply too tired. My feet hurt. I was, it was 5 hours in the hot attic today, and I'm all cleaned up now, and I'm just probably done. I'm sure you guys understand. I still have a lot of plants. Better hope to sell some of that soon before it gets too hot. Oh well, the garden center door is closed. Can't go in that way. Very frustrating. I mean, I realized that it rained, but it's not raining anymore. Wow, that's a lot of tropicals. The caladiums are really pretty with the $35 price tag to go along with it. Wow. I got 3. I think I can safely do 3 high. I got the storage bins loaded up and took the cart back. Ruby sure is looking pretty. Alright, red box exchanged over here at the Harris Teeter. It's train time. I don't hear it though. Might be down by Aviator, just moving around on the track. Nope, there it comes. Just the engine. Alrighty then.
Swanee Valley or something.
I'm pulling. Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't know. Let's see. Messages. Swanee Bell Restaurant.
Okay.
Navigate to Swanee Bell Restaurant.
Old Town. Oh, he knows.
How's that?
Yeah, cool.
And
Must be the next road.
it'll take us
Oh
to.
wait, no, it says 6 miles. Wow.
It'll take us to Swanee Bell Restaurant.
Oh, okay, so it wasn't where I thought it was.
In
3 minutes. Yeah. 2 minutes. Oh, it is supposed to be here. Oh, okay, we just didn't go down the right road here.
Now, girl, we don't do 60 down these hills.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so it's down here.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Alright, so it's on the dock. Okay, so it's here.
Is this it?
Well, she says it's another 200 feet.
That's a river, girl.
Yeah.
Hey, girl. That's a river.
Yeah.
You gonna go swimming? You gonna unable to complete maneuver? You goddamn right. You ain't able to complete maneuver. You and everybody else.
Yeah.
They ain't a Tesla yet's gonna make it across that river.
I'll have to.
No.
Well, everybody says it's down this road.
Oh, she can't drive because there's no. Once she gets out on this thing, she'll figure it out what's going on.
Oh, well, they had the sign here before on the road, I think. Swanee Bell Restaurant.
Let's see what she's gonna do.
I'm pretty sure it's on this side of the river.
Well, that might be true. She may think the river. No, sweetie, you need to slow down. They can't go that way, sweetheart. That ain't the right way. She wanted to go that way.
Yeah, but there's nothing.
There's nothing down that way.
All right. Well, I'll have to ask. I'll call Gloria or Pete.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this. We'll click here, edit trip. We'll delete that. Done.
So we know she doesn't know the way.
Well, either that, yeah, or there's some.
Well, maybe there's another.
Well, we got to go across the river anyway. We'll do another navigate Swanee Bell when we get to the other
Well,
side.
see, there it says Swanee Plantation. But that's, yeah,
Maybe
that's
paying
not.
attention here, John. She's there. Alright, well, I'm going to just help you out here until you go.
Yeah, well,
Oh, I guess I could have technically went that way.
yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, you can went across. You can just pull into the fort up there, probably. Or into the Manatee and come out. Right?
Well, that's what I think.
So
I was trying
we're
to-
at the client at JB's doing some work. He's done this cabinet. Remember, JB's a cabinet guy. He didn't do the granite. The countertop guy does the granite, but the carpentry guy. Yeah. Anyway, he does it, but he did do the cabinet. And this is a little touch you get when you hire JB. You get a little thing here, so your drawer goes around the plumbing. You know, that's the kind of stuff you get when you get custom cabinets made by JB. So this is JB's kitchen. You know, again, he did the cabinets. They wanted a nice little desk in the kitchen, and you know, they've got the full cabinets, the glass up the top, hickory, all lit up and stuff. Very pretty. You know, it's really nice. It's all book matched. I'll show you what that means in a second. I got a good example. I found it makes it really full extension type stuff, you know, for the cabinets, you know, all that kind. Oh, and notice they don't slam. Those you know, auto close things. Really nice stuff. You know, none of that banging around. But it's all book matched. So look, you see the grain on the door? See how the grain comes up the door, and then there's a gap where their carcass is, and here's the other little piece. So this was all cut from and book matched. He lined it up that way. You know, the built-in microwave and the built-in refrigerator. You know, everything's just perfect. That's what JB does. He is some kind of cabinet maker. And you can really see how nice that book matching goes over here. Dishwasher. Oh, and this opening here, that opening wasn't there. So JB cut the opening. Of course, there was plumbing in the opening, and electrical in the opening, and all that stuff, and all that had to be moved, which he did. So it's like, you know, the trials and tribulations. But he came through. It's looking gorgeous. I don't know that I've ever seen a prettier kitchen, period. It's gorgeous.